Working on the fire alarm systems on London Underground and Network Rail. Fire Systems Ltd have worked on numerous projects on the London Underground and Network Rail. Some of the projects we have been involved in include the high-speed rail link stations such as King's Cross, Ebbsfleet and Stratford International stations. The work carried out on these stations included design, installation and commissioning of fire alarm systems. To be considered to work on such projects, London Underground and Network Rail require fire alarm companies to have a very high standard towards health and safety, to be very competent and knowledgeable in the design and installation of fire alarm systems. To ensure the expected high levels of safety and skill levels are maintained at all times, London Underground and Network Rail have in place a rigorous and continuous process of training and assessments. There are numerous amounts of training courses that have to be completed before you can work on the Underground. You must have a health and safety CSCS or ECS card to be allowed to attend the training sessions. The assessment card that everyone must hold to be able to enter onto a London Underground site is something called a Lucas card. This can be obtained by attending a London Underground training facility such as the one in Stratford, and the health and safety course is undertaken to ensure you fully understand all the basic health and safety requirements when working on the Underground. Without the Lucas card, you cannot work anywhere on the Underground. Another important card to have is a site person in charge assessment. All works are usually supervised by a site person in charge. Fire Systems Ltd have staff that are both trained and hold Lucas and site person in charge assessment cards. Because of our experience working in this type of environment, Fire Systems Ltd is currently working at the Neaston Depot upgrade project on behalf of Kingfell Engineering and NG Bailey. Working on such projects enables Fire Systems Ltd to be at the forefront of the fire alarm design and installations on the London Underground. The levels of health and safety, management systems, competency of the engineering and management staff must be of a very high standard to enable the company to perform at the high levels expected on London Underground and Network Rail. In the past, we have also carried out fire alarm servicing and maintenance inspections on behalf of Siemens on the Piccadilly and the Northern lines. Fire alarm servicing is carried out during non-operational hours, and this would involve starting at 11 p.m. and completing all your works by 4 p.m. to hand the station back to the station supervisor. It is very important that the fire alarm is back online at this time, or the station will not open. Therefore, the engineers working in this field have to be trained to a very high standard. Having experience working within this field is vital, as all the fire alarm equipment must be to LU approved standard before it can be installed. Therefore, our fire alarm designers are fully conversant with London Underground equipment and approval lists. Fire alarm panels are either Kentech or advanced and are red in colour. The protocol of the addressable systems and field devices is Hochiki. Our engineers are fully conversant with London Underground's procedures and equipment. We are able to provide fire alarm designs, carry out fire alarm installations, commissioning and fire alarm servicing to the standards required by London Underground and Network Rail. If you require any further information, please contact our office on 0208 541 5646 or visit our website and complete our contact page.